What is up, you guys? You're watching Sergio's Secret. Before I get started with today's video, I'll leave the links for everything as far as all the outfits linked down below for you guys if they're available. Give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe button. Hot Girl June and Hot Girl Summer is here, so I decided at the end of May, why not do some of the looks I'm gonna be wearing in June. Some of them I have not worn in public, some of them I have to get altered, but I'm giving you all the fantasy and the mood board for June. So hopefully you guys love this video, and if you see me post a picture, like an outfit picture on Instagram or something, and you saw this one, I mean, you already knew that it was coming, and I'm living the fantasy. So let's get started. We're gonna do Sunday through Saturday, including 2 night outfits. Let's do this best. So this is obviously all gonna be Los Angeles inspired. That's how I feel like, and that's the vibe, is very LA vibes. And so today's look for Sunday is gonna be a full The Row look. I love The Row. It's one of my favorite brands, and I'm glad that I have a full, I love The Row, and I have, starting to have a nice ready-to-wear collection and just nice items from The Row. So these glasses are the Row X Oliver People. These ones are in the champagne gold, just like a nice classic glass. These actually don't have prescription. I'm kind of wearing them for fashion. The only thing that's not The Row is the Aritzia bodysuit, and this is the Aritzia bodysuit t-shirt. I love it because it just fits me super well, and it's such a nice basic to have. This one is in a t-shirt, so if I do want to take it off, I do have that t-shirt look. And then I have this oversized The Row top. This one is in, I think, a woman's large, but I just like the oversized. I love the cut of it. I just like how effortlessly and chic it looks. And then I have my Row moon-shaped bag that I got during the sale season, this last season for spring. So I have the beautiful moon bag. And then these are the pants that I will get altered. I have to take like 2 centimeters out, and I will be altering the pant, but I'm just kind of giving you the whole kind of aesthetic. Like I said, we're going for definitely LA vibes. We're definitely going to, Rosie Huntington-Whiteley, Hailey Bieber. Like, that's the type of vibe that I want to go for. And then I'm wearing the Row Little Sabbath Mule. And so I just think that it's just such a cool, super white, super cool, super crisp outfit. I love it. This is very, very LA in my opinion. You just, the Row head to toe, like the Row head to toe, like, love it. And I just love how the bag just kind of adds a little bit of fun to it, a little bit nice contrast, because the entire outfit is pretty much white. And after I get these pants altered tomorrow, they're going to fit like a glove. And first outfit for Sunday for Hot Girl Summer June edition is going to be this full Row look. And I'm in it, and I'm gonna get the pants altered, but I'm definitely here for it. This is gonna be kind of like my Monday look. It's very clean cut. It's very much Sergio has to do a lot of errands. Sergio has to get so much stuff done. Dry cleaners, phone calls, computer, going to a coffee shop, everything. So this is kind of like my to-go running outfit. So I have these pair of classic Wayfarers. These ones are a little bit more on the rounder side. I actually quite like them. The jewelry is going to remain the same just because I kind of change them. I may add a pearl necklace or something, but Monica earrings, which I'll leave linked down below, my classic Michelle watch, and then my 4 Lagos bracelets. I have this clean cut classic Anina Bing sweater. Since I am going to be in LA, like, this is something that's very nice, very lightweight. It kind of looks terry clothish, but it's not. It's just a cotton sweatshirt, and I like how it has the AB stitched in white. So it looks very clean cut classic, and it doesn't take away from the outfit. I'm wearing my handy dandy Coach Cassie, and I love it. It's just classic. This one's more of a cream color, and that's why I paired them up with the cream loafers from The Row. It's just like literally they're the perfect color, except that one's smooth leather, and so it's more on the grainy side. But I love the Coach Cassie. I think it's such a nice combination of the outfit. And then these are some other jeans. These ones are Superior, so they have no stretch, but they are quite comfortable. They're already like a size too big, but I kind of like the comfortability of them, and I think they cut me really well in the back. And these ones are just kind of like a lighter kind of acid wash. I think acid wash is the wrong word, just more of a lighter color, and they have a little bit of distressing to them, so they look a lot more on the casual side. We wear Monday something very clean cut classic, but they just has kind of like a nice kind of casual twist to it, very on the go. It looks like a lot like a mom outfit, but I love a good mommy vibe. So this is what I'd be wearing on Monday. This is my Tuesday's outfit. I'm wearing these Saint Laurent ST1s. These are very classic. The only difference between mine is mine has a reflective on them, but I'll leave the classic ones because I think they don't make the reflective ones anymore. I think they just make the regular ones, but I like a little bit of the flat top. But I like how they're not super flat top. I'm wearing a road tank top, just super nice and lightweight, but I literally have one for Uniqlo that's very similar, so I'll leave them both. I think this one's sold out. I'll leave the Uniqlo version. I bought it when I went to Denver last year. I'm wearing a Nina Binkai blazer. I bought this one in December. Worth every penny. I literally wear it like once or twice a week. I just like how nice it's oversized, and it's a really great blazer in my collection. I'm wearing my new Saint Laurent black on black Lulu. I like how very classic, very sleek it looks like, but I like, since I am going to be in LA and stuff, I will be carrying like a bunch of stuff, so I just want it to be very hands-free where I can fit a lot, or like if I go to Saks and I buy like $100 worth of makeup, like a hand cream or whatever perfume, and like I don't need a shopping bag, just put it in here. Or if I need to take something to go, whatever, put it in the bag. Super nice, hands-free. Or if my friend doesn't want to carry a bag, I can just put their stuff in here. Perfect, nice catch-all. And then I'm wearing a Egori short, and these ones are my favorite ones. I like how I have ones that are a lot more shorter. I like how this one's not super short, but it's still very appropriate. But since I am wearing the long blazer, it does kind of cut me really well, so it doesn't look super inappropriate. And then I'm wearing my new Gianvito Rossi boots. Who am I kidding? Like all this stuff is new somewhat. So Gianvito Rossi boot, I like how they're a little bit more on the tapered side. I like how clean they look and very effortlessly. So Gianvito Rossi boot is perfect. So this would be what I would wear on Tuesday, but the thing is, if it gets too hot, I can take off the blazer. It'll look like without the blazer, and I will be having a car in LA, so I can just leave the blazer in the car. I can wear it as kind of like a crossbody, like shoulder bag, or double flap it. But I just like the versatility. And the reason why I didn't go for like my Egori bodysuit is because I think this is more appropriate to wear by itself than kind of like how thin the Egori one is. But yeah, this is what I would wear on Tuesday in LA. This is what I would wear Wednesday. So I have these Oliver People sunglasses, and I told you I would change the jewelry, but this one is just, look at this beautiful pearl. I think the pearl with the navy bag, and it brings it out. And so we got the beautiful Oliver People classic square sunglasses. This is a Theory shirt that I got from the Theory outlet. I believe you can find it. I like the cut of it. I think it's very flattering, and it looks good. And I like how this one kind of like, it looks more seamless because it conceals the button. I'm wearing my navy Michael Kors Soho bag, and I like it, and I kind of make the handle like this so my crossbody hits a little bit higher. Sometimes I kind of prefer the look where it hits higher, but obviously I can take it out and it can drop a little bit lower. So I have the Oliver People glasses, a Lagos necklace, Theory top, Michael Kors bag. Also, I love these jeans from Egori. I like how they kind of bring out the navy. I think they're a very nice contrast. And then I'm wearing the roll mules just for a nice kind of, it's dressed up, but then I also play it down by wearing denim and then the mules. So this is going to be my Wednesday's outfit. It's super clean, super classic and casual. And I like it because it's like a nice combination of clean cut classic, but more on the casual vibes. So definitely am here for it. What I like about this all lookbook is that everything mixes and matches. I can change out the bag, I can change out a sunglass, the bodysuit, and everything goes. So this is what I would wear on Thursday. We have the flat top Celine glasses. Are we here for them? Because I definitely am. A Ritzia t-shirt bodysuit that I wore in one of the earlier outfits that I had. I have these Bottega Veneta pants, so this is going to be another item that I will have to get altered before I leave. The Celine pant, the row white pant, and then these ones have to get re-altered because I did lose a little bit of weight, so I think they need to get altered again. They have a little triangle in the back right there for the Bottega Veneta branding. I'm using the white cassette gold, and it's just in this beautiful cocaine white color. Love. And then I'm wearing some Bottega pants, and then I'm wearing some Bottega loaf that I got at Nordstrom Rack. So I'm literally wearing basically somewhat Bottega fit, except the Glaceline, Aritzia, Bottega, and the shoes are Bottega as well. And when I tuck in the strap, I can wear it like this. I can wear it as a clutch. It's just very cute, very nice, very versatile. And that's what I like about this outfit, is that everything kind of goes with it. This outfit is that everything kind of goes, very clean cut classic. And that's the vibe for LA. It's very relaxed, chill vibes. So super happy with this outfit. And then let me go ahead and show you, before we go to Friday, I'm gonna be giving you a pool look, because I definitely have a pool look, and I'll be serving the pool fantasy as well. So let me go ahead and show you the bonus pool outfit for Hot Girl June. Here's the bonus kind of Thursday, like if I would go to the pool or the beach. So same Celine glasses, I love them. I've had them for almost 2 years, and At first I didn't really like them, but now they're one of my favorite glasses in my collection. I'm wearing this Burberry shirt. It says Burberry right here. It has this little like goose or geese. It could be something else. And it has a little bit of a red eye. And then I'm wearing these Burberry shorts, the swim shorts that say Burberry London, England on them. I got both of these sets like during the sales. I got this one like a year ago, and I got this one in the last one. My shoes, sorry, my feet are disgusting. I'm gonna get them done after this video. They are these sandals from the Row. They have a little bit of velvet, what I like because it adds a little bit more of luxuriousness to it, or a little bit elevation. And I like how they're more of a square cut. So I find that like they look a little bit more modern versus if they were round. And then my beach bag would be this neoprene Dagny Dover. Fits everything, very minimal branding. And it's neoprene, so it'll be good for the water. Like if I get a little bit of water, put my little towel, my little gay water, my little gay sunscreen, and all my little essentials, and it'll fit here. So this is what I would wear to the pool or to the beach. Just like such a super cute and nice outfit. And if I want to, I can take off my top, which I will, but this is just kind of like the aesthetic and what you guys would see on Instagram or on my Instagram story if I decide to do a body picture. But this is what I would wear on one of the pool days. Friday's outfit, probably my favorite outfit out of this entire one. I think this is very close to the roll outfit head to toe. Flat top Celine glasses, the Celine suit. So this is the blazer. Love it. Me queda la medida. A Aritzia bodysuit. I literally have like a bunch of these and they're such an essential. The Celine pant. They are a matching set. I would have to get the pants altered. Obviously, that's something that I'm going to get done tomorrow. I'm wearing the Rose Sabbath Mule. This is, I'm not sure about the shoe just yet. It's either this or if I wear the white Gucci loafer, because this is more cream. The Gucci loafer is white, so if I do wear the white Gucci loafer, I'll wear the Bottega Veneta cassette in white. But since it is more of a creamy, I'm going to be wearing the Loewe puzzle bag. And so like I said, this is probably my favorite outfit out of be wearing a full Celine set. Loewe bag, the Row, after they get altered, they're gonna look like $1 million. And these sunglasses, I think they all complete the whole LA vibe. I love it. Hopefully I don't burn and die, but I love it. And this is probably one of my favorite outfits of all time. And so this is my Friday look that I would wear out and about. Feel like Kris Jenner, feel like a boss babe. I am, maybe, allegedly, my conspiracy, but love this outfit. Okay, this is what I would wear Friday night. This would be like what I would wear to the bars, the club, something very classy, but something very city girl. Okay, I'm a mother freaking city girl, okay, period. Sí lo soy la niña de la ciudad. So this Burberry polo that I got at Nordstrom Rack, I love it. It's size medium. If it's me, okay, I definitely wouldn't went for a size small, but it's cute. It's a little oversized. I like how it's different than a lot of the traditional Burberry polos. I'll probably like zip it up halfway, and yeah, I'll probably do it like maybe like, yeah, halfway. I like the red with the white. I think the red looks really good with my skin tone. I have my new Burberry bag right here. Thomas Burberry. Beautiful red color. I would kind of wear, I kind of made it so kind of like more of a top handle, but obviously I can make it a crossbody or shoulder bag, whatever I feel like it. But I love this little gay top handle moment. I have these AOC pants that I got at the TJ Maxx at the Houston Galleria by there. As far as my shoes are my red Alexander McQueen sneakers. So I'm all red out for West Hollywood for the gay bars in LA. I don't even know if they're open, but I mean, this is just the vibe and the fantasy that I want to live. And so, yes, I cannot wait. I got a Lana initial necklace, like a big one that says S. I can't wait to get it because it's just going to go with all the aesthetics. And I actually may open it up a little bit more. I don't know, I'll figure it out. And because now I get to wear all my Lana necklaces stacked up because now I have one that's like more of a pendant. Red moment. And let me show you my Saturday look, what I would wear on Saturday, and a Saturday night look as well. Love this outfit. Very city girl. This is what I would wear Saturday. This is a Hugo Boss shell. I'm wearing a Veronica Beard linen blazer, so it's super nice and lightweight. I'm wearing my Coach Pillow Tabby, these new Agody jeans that I got in a size 26. Normally when it comes to shells, I just kind of give it like a meh tuck. I don't really tuck it like that because girlies. The shell be always coming apart. I do like this shell because I like how it's kind of like a high neck one, and I do like the material of this one, this Hugo Boss one, so I like it. I really like the Veronica Beard blazer. It's just like such a nice classic linen blazer you can never go wrong with, and I like the style of the 6 buttons right here. And the Coach Pillow Tabby, and this one's really pretty. I just love the color. I love the gold with the hardware, and it has a bead bag chain. Like I said, Agody jeans, and then Gucci loafers. So I love this like kind of like elevated with the jeans kind of outfit for Saturday. Very cream, very hot girl, bring out my smile and everything. And yeah, so this is what I would wear Saturday. One of my favorite outfits, I will say so myself. Okay, the sun is setting a little bit, but this is what I would wear Friday night in LA, or just in general. So I am getting that Lana pendant. I'm so excited to get it. So I'm wearing this petite one. I'm wearing the classic Blake. It's a little tangled right here, but I'll fix it in a second. So I would wear that. I would wear no shirt underneath it, but I'll probably keep another shirt in the car. So the S is gonna hit right here. So it's like a nice like blinged out set. Same jewelry as always. I may take the bracelets off and just the watch. This is the Versace blazer that I got at Nordstrom. I'm wearing these white DVF pants that I've literally had for like 4 years. I'm wearing Gucci loafers, the Princetowns, and then the Bottega Veneta bag. I think that this is such a beautiful, kind of more classy going out dinner vibes. So yeah, this is going to be what I wear in a week. A beach look, a very, very night out look, like a fancy dinner, and then kind of like an out and about, like at the bars outfit. So hopefully you guys like this video. I'll leave everything linked down below. I want to say thank you so much for everybody watching. Hopefully you'll have a great June and a hot girl productive summer, because I definitely have a lot of things in the works. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love each and every single one of you, and I'll see you guys on the next one. And let me know what your favorite look is, or what your favorite item that you're looking forward to wear, regardless if that's a short, a sunscreen, a handbag, a shoe. I want to know down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys, los quiero mucho.